Our program consists of 1,400 hours of theory and practical learning, which happens in our state-of-the-art hair salon. In addition to our program being incredibly affordable, we offer small class sizes, a comfortable learning environment, and instructors that know your name and care about your success.
It's a great program, a lot of fun here. It's not like always serious, always get to work, all that. They have a lot of fun, laugh, and still you learn a lot, and the instructors are just really great. I hope to move to Edmonton here and get an apprentice job and then eventually open up my own shop.
I love connecting with a lot of different people and creating bonds that I never thought I could have. This is like my home away from home.
Like the hair cutting's been fun and learning like how to color, and these perms are pretty cool.
The different techniques that I never thought was out there. Education is really important, so continue